Hi, I'm Scott Patrick, Senior Jewelry Designer here at Rio Grande. I'd like to talk to you about Water-Soluble Injection Wax by Precizioned, the same company that makes fire and frost injection waxes. This water-soluble injection wax is specially formulated for the production of small, complex cores such as hollow beads. It offers a good balance of characteristics, including a smooth finish, minimal contraction, and excellent strength. And it provides superb resistance to cracking, which can be a problem in the creation of soluble cores. Water-soluble wax is specifically formulated to dissolve quickly in a warm bath, leaving no residue. Agitation will speed up this step even more. The benefits of using a water-soluble wax include the ability to make lightweight, hollow models with good castability. They will then create finished pieces that are comfortable to wear and cost less to make, since less material is required during production. Water-soluble wax can be used for hand-carved designs or for more advanced 3D CAD designs. Let's go through the basic steps to making a hollow bead using this water-soluble wax. First, you can create your model like I did with my CAD design. This design has two models, a bead with a center core and the core alone. Now you create your actual models. I printed these on the B9 using castable emerald resin. Now you mold both models. I used transparent RTV molding rubber, but if you have metal models, you could, of course, make vulcanized molds. After the rubber vulcanizes, you cut the mold to remove the model. We'll first inject the core mold with water-soluble wax. Then you put the injected core into the bead mold. Now you're ready to inject the bead mold with standard injection wax. We're using the Riachi Intuitive Wax Injector system for this step, along with Fire Aqua injection wax. The next step is to put the resulting injection with both the bead and the bead core into the magnetic stirrer with warm water. The water-soluble wax will dissolve away out of the bead wax. Once you remove the bead from the stirrer, you now have a wax bead that is beautifully hollow and ready to cast. Use this water-soluble wax to explore new techniques and possibilities of creating hollow, lightweight designs. As part of your casting process, you will enjoy the ease of a quickly dissolving core, resulting in a residue-free model with a smooth finish. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, give us a call or visit us at riogrande.com.